different letter has been added. 4. A different logo has been added. 5. This time we have a different country. The band text. 8. We have a EUP Kids fan letter has been added. We have a Super Mario Brothers 3. 12. We have a different symbol has been added to the text. 13. Chinese letter still hated and is overflated. 14. This time we have a 15. We have a BFDI character in here. We have a BFDI character still hated. 7. There's a Tiny Toon Adventures character in here that is next to the band text. 18. A different Greek letter has been added to the band text. 19. We have a different Russian letter. We have different letter has been added to the band text and is overflated. 21. This time the E-Taste logo is here. But has been added to the band text. 22. We made a glitch blooper. And here has been added. 25. A different logo still hated. 26. Kids KIDNS is here. 27. We have a second Mario Party number still hated. 28. We have a Mario Party number still hated. 29. The SID logo is here. 30. We have a TVO. 31. A line is on studio. No. This time we made 31. Oh, my. Extreme. God. We made a random bloopers, but I know. 1. We made a background blooper. 2. We made a language blooper. 3. We have a letter has been added. 4. This time we have a different country has been added. 6. A Russian letter has been added. 7. We made a fan language blooper on the band text. 8. We have a Yamaha here. 9. We have a EUP Kids fan letter has been added. 10. We have a Super Mario Brothers character still hated. 11. Band text. 12. We have a different symbol has been added to the band text. 13. We have a Chinese letter still hated and is overflated. 14. This time we have a Super Mario Brothers character in here has been added. 15. This time we have a BFDI character in here has been added. 16. We have a BFDI character still hated. 17. There's a Tiny Toon Adventures character in here but is next to the band text. 18. A different Greek letter has been added to the band text. 19. We have a different Russian letter has been added to the band text. 20. We have different letter has been added to the band text. 21. This time the E-Taste logo is here added to the band text. 22. We made it. 23. A Tiny Toon Adventures character has been added. 24. This time we have a Tiny Toon City character in here has been added. 25. A different logo still hated. 26. Kids KIDNS is here. 27. We have a second Mario Party number still hated. 28. We have a Mario Party number still hated. 29. The SID logo is here. 30. We have a TVO text letter still hated. And finally, 31. A line is on studio. Oh, I know. This time we made 31 bloopers at once. Oh, my. Extreme. God. No. Cut, and again, and again. We made a random bloopers, but I know. 1. We made a background color blooper. 2. We made a fan language blooper. 3. We have a different letter has been added. 4. A different logo has been added. 5. This time we have a different country has been added. 6. A Russian letter has been added and is overflated. 7. We made a fan language blooper on the band text. 8. We have a Yamaha here. 9. We have a EUP Kids fan letter has been added. 10. We have a Super Mario Brothers 3 bosses character still hated. 11. We have a different number has been added in the band text. 12. We have a different symbol has been added to the band text. 13. We have a Chinese letter still hated and is overflated. 14. This time we have a Super Mario Brothers character and here has been added. 15. This time we have a BFDI character in here has been added. 16. We have a BFDI character still hated. 17. There's a Tiny Toon Adventures character in here but is next to the band text.